Hi everyone, welcome to another one of my unboxing videos. Today I have a brand new Philips Hue Play Light. It's a light bar and I'm a big fan of the Philips Hue lights, so I'm really looking forward to getting to experience this. If you haven't seen it, basically it is quite similar to the light strip they do and also the multicolored Hue bulbs that they do. Also, it's a very compact design and it's a full light experience, which sounds excellent if you ask me. This particular one, this is the original kit version, so it comes with a plug. The interesting thing about these plugs that it comes with is that you can plug in 3 of these light bars into one plug, so it saves you a lot of socket space, which is a very good thing, especially if you have loads of extensions like me and you really try to save as many sockets as possible. So the Play Light bar has 530 lumens, so it's very bright. It's an LED light, so that's also good. If you have Hue compatible devices, you can control it. For example, you can control it through the Hue app on your iPhone and through the iPad and any other devices you may have, so the lights are dimmable. One thing is, if you do decide to purchase one of these Hue light bars, you need the updated version of the Hue bridge, which does not come with one of these, so that you need to buy separately if you don't already have one, if you're new to the setup. So let's open up the box and let's have a look to see what we have inside. Okay, so inside the box, here we have some instructions and do more with your Philips Hue lights and enhance your entertainment experience with light. This is what got me interested in the Hue light bar in the first place. I saw a few YouTube videos and some advertisements for the Hue light bars. As you can see on the picture here, you've got some people watching TV and they've got the Hue light bars set up behind the TV. Basically, you can set the lights up next to the TV and have it project light onto the wall behind the TV, which I think is great, and it will make it look fantastic. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set this light up behind me here, and we're going to test it, and we'll have a look to see how it actually looks on the wall behind myself, and get to play around with some of the features of the lights as well. So we'll get it set up and we'll go through the app as well once I've taken it out. So first thing in the box is you have a small leaflet, which is the same instructions that you have here on the box. Here is a small booklet with the manual. Here inside, as you can see, first thing underneath the leaflet and the manual is the light bar itself. A lot smaller than I thought it would be, to be honest, but that's quite good, because very compact design, and it will be a very bright light, hopefully. So there is the light bar and the cable, which will be attached to the plug. So as you can see, this is the bar. It has Philips embossed in the middle there. Okay, so I'll set the light bar to one side and we'll just unbox everything else. So we have a few of these round circular stands that come with the light bar. These you can attach the bar to and have it in an upright vertical position. Also you have this stand, which has a different style base. Again, it's very circular, but a different style base, as you can see there. We have the Euro style adapter plug, and we have the UK style adapter plug for the mains. Here is the plug itself, so this is the actual main base unit. So at the back you can see you'll be attaching one of the adapters that you need, and at the bottom there you can see it has 3 holes for 3 of the cables to be plugged into. And last thing in the box, we have some 3M tape, so you can attach the light bar to one of your bases, a very thin Allen key, and 1 screw to secure the light bar to the base of your choice. Another thing you can buy for this Philips Hue Play Light bar, which unfortunately I don't have with me in this unboxing video, but I don't actually require it yet, but I will be purchasing one, so I'll hopefully be able to show you once I do get around to buying one. But it is an extension cable which you can use with the power brick. It's a 5-meter extension cable. So as I said, below it's got 3 holes, the 3 spaces for 3 Play light bars. So let's get this Hue Play Light bar, which is a mouthful, set up, and let's have a look to see what it looks like. So I've got the Hue Play Light bar set up behind me here, and we're just going to switch it on now and have a look to see what it looks like, and get a good glimpse of how good it is and the brightness and the different colors you can choose from. And at the same time, I'm going to be showing you around about this section here, put in a video of a screen recording from my iPhone, from the Philips Hue app, so you can have a look to see how to change the settings and whatnot. So first of all, let's switch on the light bar, and there you can see the light behind me. Okay, so here you go. I've got it as Hue Play Sofa, so as you can see it's behind me on the sofa. So let's just change the colours slightly here. So let's go from a blue to, let's say, a more reddish. Got purple, slowly making my way up to red. As you can see, I'll go around here, so it's going to orange. There we've got yellow, coming down to green, which looks quite nice. Quite actually prefer the green, to be honest. That actually looks quite good. I might be keeping the green, I think I'll around about here. Yeah, that looks quite nice. I like that actually. Let me keep going though. So we've got more of like a turquoise, coming down to a sky blue, more richer navy blue, and background to the purples. Also, I believe you can change, yeah, you can do different scenes. And as for the colours, you can do colour, and you can go to temperature as well. So if you don't want to choose just colour, you can do normal temperatures of lights. If I go around slowly, you can see the lights changing behind me. And also as I go around the app here on my phone, you can see it goes to more cooler colours, so cooler whites, and background to very, very warm white. You know, you might even not describe it as white, it's so warm. But yeah, I like this. I'm very happy with that. I think it'll be fantastic behind the TV as well, to be honest with you. But yeah, for the moment, I think I'm keeping it about there on the green. I think that looks really nice. I'm actually really going to enjoy this. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it too. So this has been the unboxing for the Philips Hue Play Light bar. I will be getting another one of these shortly. I hope you guys have enjoyed the unboxing of the Philips Hue Play Light bar today. I'm really going to enjoy these lights behind me now and put on a movie and sit back and relax a bit. Please don't forget, hit the subscribe button to follow my channel for more unboxings, more vlogs, more cosplay videos, anything you can think of basically. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what videos you might like for me to do, or for what you might like to see on one of my vlogs or unboxing, for example. So thanks again for watching, you guys. If you made it this far, congratulations. As I say, I'm a big fan of these lights and I've got them set up everywhere. So let me know what you guys think, and if you do have any other products, leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear what you guys think of it too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.